Hey guys, I'm Cindy. This is GEO Belluf designed by Fabian Hobbelen. This is compact, everyday, available in 7 different colors: orange, Tiffany blue, green, khaki, Ultem, and black G10. The Belluf features an imported Austria Böhler M390 blade with a stonewash finish for a clean, everyday look. Each blade goes through vacuum heat-treated and cryogenic processing, reaching a hardness of HRC 6262 for solid edge retention and daily performance. Also features smooth crossbar lock action, lightweight carry, and compact 2.4 inch, easy to hide in your pocket. Hope you have a nice day. Take care.